Introducing our Foamskinz 8-piece colored glove box liner for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. This product is made up of dual-layer EVA foam and is designed to adhere to the plastic tub of your Ryker glove box to keep things from rattling around, as well as insulate against unwanted heat produced by the engine. The foam is available in several different colors to match your Ryker's color profile. To install, first clean the surface area with alcohol prep pads, and for proper adhesion, be sure to install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then test fit each piece to check for proper fitment and placement, before removing the protective backing film in small sections at a time, and pressing down firmly to lock it in place. Now, if this Ryker colored foam glove box liner is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a kit for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with everything Ryker.